Hey guys, welcome to Common Fixes. Today we have a 2014 Odyssey and we will be changing the driver front outer door handle. Now I have the door apart for different reasons because it was bent here. They hit it, so I'm changing the door, but I got to transfer the door handle. So to remove the door handle, there's the external door handle. To remove it, there's no hole on the side here to remove that little trim piece, but the way you got to do it is remove the external cover here. There's plenty of videos on how to remove that. It's very simple, a couple of clips, it comes off. But the door handle itself, there's one 10mm bolt there, and the other one, if you open, there's another cover like that here, just covering this hole. Take that off and you can see the other 10mm bolt straight down there. The other thing to keep in mind, this door handle has a rod going through it. So there is a rod. There's a rod there at the bottom that the door handle, it clips into the door handle. That's what allows it to open up the door. So we have to unclip that door handle rod. Just take a screwdriver and just pop that up. Pop that up. Make sure it's loose, and then just kind of wiggle it off. It's a little stiff. 1 second. Yeah, there you go. So just take another door, take the same screwdriver and just hit the rod outward so it comes out. And then you can proceed to taking that 10mm bolt off. Go straight down. This one. And then we'll take off the second one. That's the second bolt. Now what holds this door handle in place are these brackets. So this one has a plug. You have to unplug that and then take the bracket. We have to undo that little clip. Undo that little clip from that hole, take it out. There's another one. We'll undo that one also. Just squeeze the tabs and it pushes in. Pushes in. Once you push the tabs, it'll push in and it'll just come out. So now you can take this bracket, flip it upside down, and kind of work it out from the door handle. And of course there's another bracket at the other end that's holding that other end of the door handle in place. We'll remove that. Okay, so that's the other bracket. It just goes and slides under the handle from towards the glass, goes up. So from bottom, it goes up. So from the bottom, it goes up, and that's how it gets connected. So to disconnect it, you just gotta come down towards the bottom and just take it out. So now your door handle should be free. So you go on the other end, kind of wiggle your door handle. this, turn it around a bit. This metal bracket. Okay, so this metal bracket just turns around from within. Comes out. Just take the plug out. There you go. So that's the door handle. It comes out. The electrical part also comes out with it if it has the button on the end of the handle. And then once you're putting it back in, just work that in first, and then kind of put the back in first, and then wiggle this little aluminum piece in. This aluminum piece, it's movable, so you can move it the way it fits and then put it back in. All right, so I got the door back on the car. So we're gonna put the door handle back in. So what you do, you put the electrical through the hole, feed this side through it. Once you fed that side through it, you're gonna come around to this side. Now this aluminum piece, basically just twist it a bit. Twist the aluminum piece a bit, it'll go in. Once it goes in, you kind of wiggle it. Wiggle into spots, and it should just pop in. All right, so I have to use two hands. So it's sitting in there, just gotta wiggle it in and push it in. So everything is sitting fine. The other side, we have to put those clips back on with the 10mm bolts into this bracket and that bracket, and we'll connect the rod for the door to the other end, and we'll be good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.